when I followed that strategies, when I followed that planner, then
Hmm.
I came to know, okay, I can get more marks in less time from
Hmm.
this strategy. Language Academy is offering a real-time exam environment. When you go to the real exam, you don't even feel like it's a real exam. You feel like it's another mock test that you are giving, that you are taking.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. I'm very proud to have Mohammed Zaid with me today. 8 each in PTE, 90 speaking, 84 reading, 81 listening, 81 writing. Congratulations, very well done.
Thank you, Aaron. Thank you very much.
Jad, you have traveled from Melbourne to Sydney. You were studying with us. You have cleared your PT in a short span of time. Very first thing, I remember you have practiced a lot in the lab. You have taken a number of mock tests. You have been to a lot of practice sessions. What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to clearing PT, that too with 8 each?
Actually, the thing what I feel is consistency. The thing is like whenever you like practice more and more, and the right strategies and the right mentors, and these are the things that matter the most to achieve 80s actually.
That's 100% correct. Consistency is one thing which is the key ingredient, I must say, because if you practice for a day, if you don't practice next 2 days, you'll even forget what you practiced 2 days back. Very important, you're consistent, you show up regularly, you ask for feedback, and that's how you get your desired scores. One more thing, reading was one module we were finding a bit difficult, I remember. Any tips, any strategies you followed to get 85 in reading?
Actually, the thing is, before coming to LA, I was um, I was practicing in my way, but
Hmm.
when I came to LA, I was given specific task. How can I nail it? How can I do it? And
Hmm.
like before, I was giving equal time to all the segments of the reading module. Then I
Hmm.
was told like this is like more necessary thing. This is more important. You have to give like more time to this segment, to this section, and this one should be the last. So when I followed that strategies, when I followed that planner, then
Hmm.
I came to know, okay, I can get more marks in less time from
Hmm.
this strategy and from these things. That was actually the most important thing because I was actually wasting all my time to
Hmm.
doing all those things that wasn't important. That's why I
Hmm.
wasn't getting any. So right mentorship is more important. Then you follow the strategies. This was
That's,
actually most
that's
important.
100% correct. Why I think is the main reason is PT is all about smart work, not hard work. Out of the 20 tasks you have got, you just need to focus on 7 or 8, even if you're aiming for a band 8. What most of the students do is they practice on each and everything. They think each and everything should be perfect. But as Muhammad has told, everything is not important. He was told that yes, out of 5 tasks in reading, only focus on reading blanks, reading, writing blanks, and a bit on reorders. Do not waste time on MCQs. Plus, make sure your read alouds are perfect. That's how you get your desired score in reading. Reading is not extremely challenging if you follow the smart way. If you're working hard, things can be difficult, but if you know that this is your strength, this is your weakness, you spend more time on your weakness, turn that into your strength. Everything can be done within a short span of time. Another thing, you have practiced in the lab, you have taken a number of mock tests. I remember you've taken a number of full mock tests as well. How important are mock tests?
Varun, this is very important thing. I actually really wanna discuss this thing. Um, so Language Academy is offering a real-time exam environment. I remember that going in the mock test room, like
Yep.
all the people will go at the same time, and the speaking will start exactly like in the real exam start, and the rest of the exam will like go all along the. So when you go to the real exam, you don't even feel like it's a real exam. You feel like it's another mock test that you are giving, that you are taking, and after this, like it's really easy.
Yeah.
So having that mock test room, having that feedback thing, that is really important because that makes you familiar with the real time exam, and that makes you like more easy. You don't have like stress when you go to the real time exam. You don't have like that kind of confusion. You don't mumble. You exactly know what tone of voice you need to speak and
Mm.
how high you need to speak, and you don't need to be confused. I was sitting like this in the
Mm.
exam. I was like totally relaxed over there,
Mm.
and because I have taken a lot of number of like mock tests, and I did speaking when the lot of people were speaking
Mm.
near to me, so it was like totally comfortable for me in the real
Correct.
exam. Yeah,
Correct.
that's
Because
how I.
that's 100% correct. Sorry to interrupt you, but one thing which I would like to point out before I forget, when you take a number of mock tests, sitting in the same environment as you'll have your exam in, you get used to it. You expose yourself to such an environment a number of times that you're not really scared, nervous about it anymore. And when you go for the test, it feels like another mock test and you're very comfortable. And PT test is all about performance. I've seen students practicing for 3 months and then being nervous in the test. I've seen students practicing 3 days and being very confident. And students who are confident when they take the test, they clear it in the very first go. So to boost your performance so that you can maximize your input in those 2 hours when you go and sit for the test, take a number of mock tests, sit in the same environment when you have people talking around you, speaking, doing the speaking module at the same time as you will be doing, so that you know what surprises, what shocks you can expect in the real PT test. You are not shocked or surprised when you actually go for the test and you can perform to the best of your ability. Zed, any final piece of advice for students out there planning to go for the test or missing by a few points like you did in your previous attempt? Any advice, any tips, any strategies for them, please?
Yeah, I would say to all my spectators and all the viewers that don't just watch this video, come out, step out of it, and have courage to do it. You can do it. If I am sitting here talking, if I can do it, you can also nail it. Second thing is consistency. Do the practice every day. Don't skip any day. Last but not least, um, do the planner every day given by the tutor, given by the mentor and advisor of you. If I'm sitting on this seat talking to you under the spotlight, next will be you gonna saying, yes, I aced it.
That's
And
good.
yeah, at the last, I wanna mention those mentors that helped me. First of all, Varun, Gagan, Zoya, Vanita, Visha. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all of them. They actually pushed me towards getting this 8 each. Otherwise, there was a point when I was like totally hopeless and I was blaming my luck. I was blaming like PTE, and they were like encouraging me. No, you are in practice. You can do it. You can get 8 each. And I was like, because of their, they were putting confidence in me. I was like, okay, I will do that, and I did it.
That's 100% correct. I'm really appreciated. But what I think why you have got your desired scores is that you were regular, as you mentioned, you were consistent, and you had the courage to ask for feedback. Feedback is something which is very important because many times we see students they keep on practicing but never get the feedback, so they are not really sure, they don't know if they are doing it the right way or not. You have to be consistent, you have to ask for feedback, you have to take a number of mock tests, and most importantly you should have a plan what you have to do every day. You have to follow it religiously, you have to take regular mock tests, take the feedback, make sure you take another mock test, do not repeat the same mistakes, and once your mentor tells you to go and take the test, go it and clear it with a perfect 90 as well. Congratulations and all the very best for your NAATI now.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Have
you.
a good
Guys,
day.
remember this thing as Zaid has mentioned that if he has done it, you can do it. That's what I always say. If I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it. You need to be like him. You need to be consistent. You need to understand what PT is. Rather than hard work, do the smart work, and your desired scores will be with you very soon. That's it from this video. Thank you for joining in. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, keep on practicing and never ever give up. If I have done it, you can do it as well. And as he has mentioned, you can be the next one.